Hello, welcome to Cesim simulation guide and tips for each round. This is round 3. We do the same as round 1 and round 2. We look at check the sales and profit of the last round to make sure we have the good sale and profit. In this case, we are managing red company and we have the top sales and top profit much higher than competitors. We take the sale profit, the cost for R&D and the cost for promotion for all the 3 markets and also for the 8 market as you see on the screen. We still did not build a new plant in Asia, so all the cost for R&D we have to pay that in the US market, right? We also compare our sales profit and the cost with competitors to adjust our strategies. And this is very important. We look at the details of the market of all the company, not just our company, to find out the most profitable price and also the sales unit or the demand based on different price and number of features, so we can adjust our price. You can see that we are having offering the more features and also very good price, so we are selling. We have the highest sales and also highest demand for our product. We also launch Tech 2 faster than competitors, so we can sell much better. You see on the screen, in all the 3 markets we started selling Tech 1 and Tech 2 in all the 3 markets in our 1 and 2 and 3, and we will focus on the new product from round 4. So that's an overview of round 3. If you need the support, you can send the email or check the details in the website. Thank you, good luck and success.